Hi Julian, I want to dispel the myth that SolidWorks said it takes us 4 to 5 hours to create the same part that takes 10 to 15 minutes within SolidWorks. I can't see how they can come up with that unless they're just passing on misinformation. But just I've made that part very quickly. It took me about a minute, if that, to create this part here. And what I'll do is I just want to just add a tab on the end there, and I'm just going to drag that tab up and I'll just put it onto the top part of there, and that shows you it's all drag and drop within iCAD. And I can select the part, I can then unfold the part, and there you have the unfolded shape with all the bend lines, etc. So all we can do now is if I refold it again, if I save the part, I just go to new drawing creation, click on that, and I'm going to choose the flat pattern. Let's just rotate that round that way. No, let's go that way and say OK. He drops the part down, and if I do some smart dimensions, we know it's 400 mil. We can pick on that one, and we know that unfolded it'd be about that. We can also do some some ordinate dimensioning. Click on that part there, just drop it up to about there, and then just pick on there. So that's it. As you can see, it did not take me 4 hours. I didn't have to know what the flat pattern was before I even created it. It's all done with drag and drop within iCAD. And if you look at my hot oven or hot plate demo which I sent to you, you can see how easy it was for me to create all those different shapes, etc. Anyway, got any further questions, then please do come back to me.